Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing well this evening. Whether you are catching this video after work, over dinner, or just relaxing before the night kicks in, thanks for spending some time here with me. If you are new, a big welcome. It's great to have you here. And for those of you who have been part of this community after a while, you already know this is the place where we keep up with the latest projects and updates of ICP. Today, we have so many topics to discuss. Let's get in. First up, Liquidium has announced a move that will definitely catch the attention of its community. The platform is expanding fee rebates to sLIQ holders. It's a benefit that was previously only available for LIQ token users. In plain terms, this means if you are holding sLIQ, you will now enjoy the same discount rates as those who hold LIQ. This is more than just a minor tweak, it levels the playing field. Until now, some users felt there was an imbalance in how incentives were structured, which created a split experience between different token holders. By standardizing the rebates, Liquidium is simplifying things and making sure everyone gets equal perks. The effect of this change will vary depending on how active you are as a trader or participant. For heavy users, the discounts help reduce transaction cost, and that's always welcome. For more casual holders, this is still a nice bonus and could even nudge some people into holding sLIQ who might not have considered it before. The bigger picture here is about fairness and accessibility. By extending benefits equally, Liquidium is signaling its commitment to inclusivity within its ecosystem. Whether this translates into more trading activity or wider adoption is something we'll need to watch. But for now, it's a positive step that simplifies the experience and makes participation feel less like a two-tiered system. Next, let's talk about a story that crosses into the hardware space. Westcliff Technologies has just introduced a new IoT LED controller powered by Caffeine AI. What makes this so interesting is that it allows Arduino devices to be controlled directly from the cloud. If you have ever worked with Arduino, you will know it's an incredibly popular platform for robotics, sensors, and DIY projects. Traditionally, though, getting your devices to interact seamlessly with cloud software required some workarounds and extra steps. Westcliff's approach changes that. By linking Caffeine AI directly with Arduino hardware, they are removing a lot of those barriers. Now, users can manage LEDs, sensors, and even motors remotely. That means simpler prototyping for hobbyists, easier testing for developers, and potentially faster deployment for businesses that want to integrate smart devices into their setups. Of course, questions remain, like how secure is the system when devices are exposed to the cloud, how much latency users might experience, and whether all Arduino models will play nicely with the new controller. But in terms of convenience, this feels like a solid leap forward. This development shows how platforms like Caffeine AI are pushing us toward a future where software and hardware blend more naturally. Things that used to require custom coding and complex integration might soon be as easy as toggling a setting or writing a short command in the cloud. It's a trend worth watching, especially as IoT continues to scale beyond niche communities into everyday homes and workplaces. Now let's turn back to blockchain with BUILDR. The project has been gaining momentum with 9% of its total supply now staked and locked. That's not a trivial figure. It reflects a real level of confidence among token holders. Staking in BUILDR isn't just about locking up tokens. It actively supports the network while allowing participants to earn rewards. This dual purpose, like strengthening the ecosystem while giving users tangible returns, it's a big reason staking models have become so popular across blockchain. The numbers behind BUILDR tell their own story. It's now ranking in the top 30 for total value logged, which is a strong indicator of adoption. On top of that, it's within the top 40 for reward pools, showing that participants find the incentives attractive enough to commit. Of course, it's one thing to build momentum and another to sustain it. The blockchain sector is competitive and users have plenty of choices. For BUILDR to keep climbing, it will need to continue rolling out development updates, maintaining transparency, and engaging its community. That said, its current position is impressive. Strong staking activity, competitive rankings, and a committed base of participants all point to a project that's capturing attention. The question now is how it will build on this foundation over the next few months. Moving on, developers building on the Internet Computer blockchain have just got access to a handy new tool, a web application that makes converting ICP tokens into cycles much simpler. For those not familiar, cycles are essentially the fuel that powers computation on the Internet Computer. They run the smart contracts known as canisters that handle applications, data storage, and message execution. Developers convert ICP into cycles to fund these operations. And because the cost of cycles is tied to SDR or special drawing rights, they have a level of price stability that helps with planning. The new application offers real-time conversion rates. Developers can type in a value in USD, ICP, or trillion cycles and see instant conversions. This makes it far easier to estimate cost, budget resources, and avoid over or underfunding canisters. Another plus is that the tool clarifies how cycles are consumed. Every computation, HTTP request, and even the creation of a new canister draws on cycles, so accurate conversions really matter when you are designing an application for efficiency. If you want to try it out, you can check the link in the description. It's another sign of the community's push to make development on the Internet Computer more practical and accessible. The more tools like this exist, the easier it becomes for developers to focus on innovation rather than getting bogged down in calculations and resource management. And finally, let's look at FormEase, a new form building application developed by AmSpeed using Caffeine AI. At its core, FormEase makes it easy to create secure, no-code forms for collecting data. You can design a form, generate a link, or embed it into another application and start gathering responses straight away. One of the big selling points here is security. FormEase is HIPAA-compliant, which is critical for industries like healthcare, where data protection is non-negotiable. This compliance means professionals can use FormEase with confidence when dealing with sensitive information. The interface is also designed to be accessible. With drag-and-drop functionality, you don't need to be a developer to put together a custom form. For busy professionals, this saves time and reduces the need to learn complex software. That said, FormEase enters a market that already has strong players. Platforms like FormHippo and FormDoctor also provide HIPAA-compliant solutions, each with their own advantages. FormHippo is known for affordability and simplicity, which makes it attractive for smaller practices. FormDoctor, meanwhile, offers a more comprehensive suite, including CRM integration and patient engagement tools, which can be a better fit for larger organizations. Where FormEase stands out is in its blend of ease of use, security, and the flexibility of being built on Caffeine AI. That last point means it benefits from the rapid conversational approach to app development that Caffeine AI is known for, which could lead to faster iterations and improvements over time. For professionals looking for a straightforward, secure, no-code solution, FormEase is worth considering. As with any tool, the best choice depends on your specific needs, but the emergence of new options like this helps drive innovation and keeps competition healthy in the space. That brings us to the end of today's updates. From Liquidium's push for fairness to Westcliff's cloud-connected hardware, from builders taking confidence to the Internet Computer's new developer tool, and finally, FormEase secure no-code approach. Each of these stories shows how teams are working to make blockchain and decentralized tech more practical and more approachable for everyone. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you think Liquidium's changes will boost sLIQ adoption? Will builders taking momentum hold in such a competitive sector? And what's your take on cloud controlled IoT? Smart convenience or security challenge? Drop a comment below. I always enjoy reading what you have to say. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel more than you know. And before you go, don't forget to check out the newsletter. The link is in the description. So if you would like something easy to read in the evenings with your coffee or tea, check it out. Thanks as always for watching and being part of this community. Have a great night and I'll see you in the next one.